Industry Principal at SAP, I represent a team who works closely with top manufacturing companies to help understand the impacts of today's trends and challenges on business processes. We do this in order to help companies drive improvements in efficiencies and working capital, better manage and reduce risks, improve competitive differentiation, and of course, to increase market share. As someone who manufactures industrial machinery and components, your job is simple, right? All you have to do is minimize the sales cycles of your products and services, speed up the time it takes to make a profit from your new projects, and do this while reducing the cost of your supply chain. Simple. Business challenges drive the evolution of the manufacturing sector. That's why I love being an industry principal at SAP. I get to work with companies who want to be better, and I get to be part of the solution. So what are some of the macro level trends we see affecting the industry sector? Well, we see increasing global competition, but we also see new emerging markets. The new opportunities and new competition, they require new thinking. We see continued increasing pressures on profit margin that cost-cutting alone can't protect us from. Therefore, if we want sustainable growth, companies need to create new revenue streams. Additionally, customers are demanding greater value and competitive advantage from their suppliers. Increased customer expectations require innovative solutions. I'm sure you'd agree that knowing what your customers want and expect gives you the opportunity to create long-term differentiators. Now, the hyper-acceleration of commerce, the era of big data, and the surge of social media, all three are converging, creating new challenges, new opportunities. The metabolism of the world is speeding up. Between the beginning of time and 2003, humanity created 5 exabytes of information. That's a lot. In the last 5 hours, we created 5 exabytes of information. The challenge is being able to analyze it and derive meaning from it. For a solution to work, it's about getting the right information to the right people on the right device at the right time, and by enabling complex analysis of big data. That was never possible before. It was never practical. SAP can provide these solutions. And SAP is not just an application company, it's a platform company. What if you could have the agility to respond quickly to changes across a collaborative network of suppliers, of customers, and partners? What if you could streamline quoting and selling of configurable products and services and/or complete bundled solutions? What if you could maximize the efficiencies in engineering, sourcing, manufacturing, installation? What if you could make a 90% reduction in your inquiry to quote time? What kind of competitive advantage would that give you? For one of our customers, a worldwide leader in engineered hydraulic systems, it was huge. With solutions from SAP, they were able to reduce sales order generation lead time from 4 weeks to 4 hours. This is a 98% reduction in their sales order lead time, and that's for custom engineered solutions. SAP helps its customers turn their business challenges into opportunities that provide competitive advantage as they increase not only their reach, but also their speed and their scale. They also are able to increase their accuracy, their consistency, and their coordination. If you're like most of the business leaders I speak with, you'll benefit from a short meeting with us. Ask your account manager to bring an industry principal to your next discussion. That way we could review key challenges and initiatives being addressed by leading manufacturing companies today. We'd be happy to review industry benchmarks and best practices, learn a little bit more about what you're trying to accomplish. Together, we can gain an understanding of how your current situation compares to leading companies in your peer group and target opportunities for enhancement.